Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate source for tech deep dives, honest reviews, and no-fluff breakdowns. Today, we're taking to the skies with one of the most hyped drones of 2024, the DJI Avata 2. If you're into FPV drones, cinematic, flight, adrenaline-pumping experiences, or just love watching incredible aerial shots, this is the video for you. DJI has doubled down on its immersive drone category, and the Avata 2 is a big leap forward. In this review, we'll explore specs, flight experience, usability, and whether this drone deserves a spot in your gear. Let's jump into everything. The DJI Avata 2 offers. DJI's Avata series represents a new era of FPV flight made more accessible. The first Avata was a hit for bridging traditional FPV drones with DJI's reliable camera systems. The Avata 2 refines that formula with better design, more intuitive controls, improved camera performance, and immersive goggles. The Avata 2 features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 4000 at 60 fps and 2.7K at 120 fps. That wide 155 field of view delivers immersive FPV perspectives. It supports 10-bit D-Log-M for cinematic color grading and captures. Solid 1.2MP stills. Though video is clearly the main strength, stabilization is top-notch thanks to Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady. Whether diving, flipping, or turning, your footage comes out smooth and cinematic. It's perfect for creators looking to capture high-action scenes without gimbal shake. Design-wise, DJI stuck with the ducted propeller layout but trimmed down the airframe. Now lighter at 377 grams, it's more compact and aerodynamic. The prop guards are improved too durable, efficient, and better looking. Great for indoor flights or flying through tight spots. Battery life now averages 18 to 20 minutes of flight under normal FPV use. Fast charging and DJI's new intelligent charging hub make power management easier. It's not an all-day flyer, but it gets you in the air quickly again. Pairing the drone with DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller transforms your experience. The goggles now offer dual 1080p micro-OLED displays, a 100Hz refresh rate, and head tracking. You can look around just by moving your head, truly immersive. The RC Motion 3 is beginner-friendly and incredibly intuitive. Just tilt and go. Even first-timers can pull off smooth flights. Pros can still opt for the traditional FPV, remote controller 3 for precise stick control. It's a best-of-both-worlds approach. The drone supports 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual. Normal keeps things stable with sensor assistance. Sport adds agility. And manual gives you full control. Ideal for experienced FPV pilots looking for thrilling stunts. Safety is a priority with downward sensors, 2F sensing, and features like emergency brake and hover. No full obstacle avoidance, but it's still safer than most FPV drones. Return to home is smarter and more accurate. And Find My Drone helps with retrieval if you crash. Video transmission is handled by the new O4 system, offering up to 13 kilometers range, super low latency, and 60 megabits per second video bitrate. It feels nearly real-time, so responsive, you forget you're not. Seeing it live with your own eyes, cinematically, the Avata 2 shines. It can pull off shots that traditional drones simply can't, weaving through trees, buildings, and interiors with ease. For vloggers, filmmakers, and influencers, it opens up an entirely new creative toolbox. Footage editing is a breeze. The 10-bit D-Log-M allows for great color flexibility. DJI's Lightcut app offers templates and quick social exports. Or go deep with desktop editing for polished pro content. The Fly More combo is worth considering. It includes 2 batteries, the goggles, RC Motion 3, and a carry case perfect for creators who need a portable, all-in-one solution. Audio Passthrough is a new feature via the goggles. Hear wind and ambient sound from the drone's mic in real time. A nice immersive touch and useful for awareness during flight. DJI has refined their app ecosystem. The DJI Fly app is smooth, helping with updates, flight logs, and beginner tutorials, including a flight simulator to practice before you fly. So, who should buy this? Beginners will love the accessibility. Creators will love the footage. Experienced FPV pilots might not replace their custom builds. But it's a must-have for clean, cinematic, reliable flying. There are a few trade-offs: price, lack of forward sensors, and some camera limitations compared to larger DJI drones. But overall, the Avata 2 is incredibly well-rounded. Durability is excellent. Thanks to the protected props and compact build, it can handle a few bumps. DJI Care Refresh adds peace of mind with coverage for crashes or damage. You also get gyro, data support for post-flight stabilization, and the drone handles well in most weather. It's quieter than the original, and more responsive in wind thanks to the new design. In the end, DJI Avata 2 is a compact, immersive FPV drone that mixes fun, function, and filmmaking power into one sleek package. It offers an experience that's hard to match whether you're just starting or already an aerial pro. Thanks for watching another deep dive here at Tech Vibe. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more honest tech insights and next-gen product breakdowns. Until next time, stay creative, stay bold, and keep flying with Tech Vibe.